Today we got some packages from Autoommo. They sent us a car sealing cargo net as well as a cargo bag. The packaging is done really well. Doesn't seem like it could move at all during shipping or anything like that. So I'm gonna open this up and we're gonna look at it. This is the 19 cubic feet cargo bag. We're gonna open this up in a second and look at it. This is also their cargo net. You got some clips so you can connect stuff. When you open the bag, basically got your user manual and all your hardware that you're going to need, your straps and everything. It looks like the bag's right there. Not 100% sure what this is. It looks like a pattern. There's the bag. It's waterproof. It seems to be made out of pretty high quality, either leather or whatever material it's made out of. When you're packing up the bag, you can fit everything in there, including the net and everything. With the cargo net, you do have a extra place pocket that you can put stuff in. So basically when you're putting it on there, you're just gonna throw it on there, fill up your stuff that you need to put in there or you want to put in there, acting as like an extra storage space. And then you're just gonna tie it up to your roof bars or anything you got on there. And it has a zipper. Underneath that little slot right there, there's some Velcro, and you just unpeel that and zipper it up and then fill all your stuff in it.